Hi, my name is Shelby Miller and I am from Utah. I own Ruma Medical Aesthetics, which is a specialized facial aesthetics practice. I am here in beautiful Daytona Beach and at the Leap Ahead conference with Sweet Dory and Inspiration Management. And just to keep it short and sweet, if you are starting a business and don't know where to start and how to hire people and how to create systems, this is the perfect outlet, and it's already paid for itself. And I'm super excited to go home and implement everything that we've learned. And I can't say good enough things about it. It's been so phenomenal.